We are at the Decjusza Villa, a beautiful Renaissance building, full of details, irregular forms, and proportions that are hard to capture. Here we will be carrying out an inventory survey.
Two methods, two completely different stories. Tradition versus technology. Let's see which method comes out on top.
Every wall, every window, every detail. I have to measure everything by hand. Then I enter it into GstarCAD, and it turns out the measurement wasn't entirely accurate. So what now? We go back to the site and start all over again. What a waste of time.
Meanwhile, in just 2 minutes, we have the complete geometry of our detail. Bas reliefs, sculptures, everything with the highest accuracy and resolution.
The BLK 360 allows me to quickly and precisely scan the entire room, including staircases, vaults, or entire corridors. In just a few minutes, I have a ready point cloud for further work.
The competition for my measuring tape is 3D scanning. 15 minutes, and I have everything. No mistakes, no need to return to the site for inventory, and then cross-sections and floor plans are ready in just a few clicks.
After converting the files to LAS format, I can import the point cloud into GstarCAD using the GstarCAD Point Cloud software. Thanks to this, I can use the selected cross-section for further work.
In GstarCAD Point Cloud, I can quickly prepare cross-sections, which I then develop in detail in GstarCAD. This is a huge time saver, especially when it comes to historical buildings like the Decjusza Villa.
The BLK 360 scanner allows me to ensure that everything, from the staircase to the ceiling, is accurately reproduced. This is extremely important with historical monuments because we cannot afford to risk making a mistake.
The scanner is excellent for creating conservation documentation, where it is often the case that a single structural element changes its dimensions along its length due to structural deformations or cracks. It's difficult to capture this using traditional methods. GstarCAD and GstarCAD Point Cloud combine the tradition of design with a modern approach to surveying.
And 3D scanning is not the future, it's the present.
From scan to a complete 3D model, digital documentation has never been so simple and precise.
Instead of struggling with a tape measure and pencil, just design.